Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate mobile wallet on your phone for contactless payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable Tap to Pay at stores. Step 1. Ensure your smartphone supports NFC technology, which is required for contactless payments. Most modern smartphones have this feature built in. Step 2. On iPhone, open the Wallet app, which comes pre-installed. On Android, download Google Pay from the Google Play Store if it's not already installed. Step 3. Open the mobile wallet app on your phone. Step 4. Tap the option to add card or add payment method. Step 5. Choose whether to add a credit card, debit card, or link your bank account. Step 6. Use your phone's camera to scan your card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 7. Provide any additional information requested, such as your billing address or phone number. Step 8. Verify your card by entering a verification code sent via SMS or email from your card issuer. Step 9. Once verified, your card will appear in your mobile wallet and is ready for contactless payments. Step 10. To make a payment, hold your phone near a contactless payment terminal and authenticate using your fingerprint, face recognition, or passcode. Step 11. Wait for the confirmation beep or check mark indicating the payment was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.